please, señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need ya, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Oh, I should be running. Oh, you keep me coming for you.
Hello guys! It's our last day here in Boracay. So ayun guys, nandito kami sa aming hotel at ini-enjoy yung pool dito guys. Kasi sa Hanay, it's pool everywhere. So nakaka-refresh dito guys at napakasulit. At saka maaga pa guys para mag-beach. So later guys, try namin mag-beach. So ayan, sa ngayon guys, i-enjoy lang namin itong pool dito sa Hanay. Sobrang ganda at sobrang laki ng pool nila at saka sobrang dami. So kahit saan pwede kayong maligo. So tara guys, samahan kong i-enjoy itong pool dito sa aming hotel guys. At saka sa mga gustong punta ng Boracay, try nyo din itong Hanay guys. Sobrang ganda. Even na it's pricey, but napakasulit kasi napakaganda ng rooms nila, facilities, and everything guys. At meron din silang restaurant sa baba. So, ayan guys. At saka higit sa lahat, meron silang bar na may pool. So, ayan guys. Pwede kami iinom nila while swimming. Diba? So, see you guys! Enjoy mo na natin to. Bye!
So, yan guys.
Ayan guys, meron din silang pa-bubble-bubble dito na pool. Look. Ayan, sobrang ganda guys. Ayan. No diving guys kasi ano lang siya, mababa. So nice. Bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. So, ayan guys. Mag-rest lang kami dito. Chill lang kami ni ate. Ayan. Kasi guys, tomorrow, flight na namin tomorrow ni ate. So, babalik na kami sa Manila. After that, babalik na din siya from
Bayad na ako sa lahat ng ano. Bayad na ako sa lahat ng kahit 10K. Kailan mo na kung baka
after the whole day swimming. So ayan, it's night na and we're going to find where we're going to eat guys, our dinner. So ayan, sobrang ganda dito guys paggabi na kasi maraming mga lights. And sa ngayon guys, hindi masyadong maraming tao. At saka sa ngayon guys, it's cold. So mostly nakikita natin it's local lang, masyadong foreign. So ayan guys, i-enjoy natin ang moment nito. At saka meron din silang mga shopping center dito guys na makakabili ka ng t-shirts, bags, at iba pa. So hanap tayo ng makainan guys. So ayan, nakahanap na kami agad-agad ng makakainan. At dito guys ay Eat All You Can. At saka ito yung Regency Henan Beach Resort guys. So ayan, maraming Henan Beach Resort dito guys. Kaya dito ka kumakain ngayon, it's because Eat All You Can dito guys. At saka sobrang madaming food na variety na pwede nyo mapipilian. So ayan guys, nakapili na ako. So let's eat guys because we are so very hungry after our swimming. So ayan, o diba, kukuha pa tayo later guys. So enjoy!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want and I pray. All I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I...
Nightlife is better, guys, kasi in-enjoy mo yung moment dito sa Boracay at mas madaming bar dito. So ayan, maraming taong gustong mag nightlife dito sa Boracay. Isa ito sa mga gustos na mga turista kagaya ko, charot. So ayan guys, enjoy natin walking kasi guys, alam niyo na busog ako guys sa kinain namin kanina. So ayan, pahilis muna ta guys, pahilis. So let's go. Sa airplane guys. So ayan, papunta na tayo ng Manila and a little bit maglalapag na ang ating airplane. So alam niyo na guys kung saan tayo pupunta. Pupunta tayo ng Paris. Baka nandun yung lalaki para sa akin. So ayan guys, wait na lang natin, minutes na lang. Let's go Manila. Hello Manila.
Remain seated until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the passenger seatbelt signs are switched off. May we remind you to check airs around your seat for items you might leave behind. For passengers who need assistance, please step lane fast. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be very happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Rosita, First Officer Giuliani, and the rest of the crew, we thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. The heart of the Philippines. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.
So ayan guys, nandito na talaga kami sa Manila. So ayan guys, paglapag talaga ng plane, nandito na kami sa MOA guys. So nasa bandang MOA na kami. So papasok na kami ng MOA guys. So I'm so excited to shopping time! So syempre guys, lakad-lakad tayo no. So ayan guys, but before that, before kami magsha-shopping, kakain muna kami guys. Medyo nagutom kami, diba, sa biyahe. So ayan guys, but hahanap na kami kung saan kami kakain. May food hall sila dun guys. So let's go guys. Ayan, meron din silang paano dito guys, parang game play, something like that. arcade. Oh, ayan. Arcade, guys. So, ayan. Pero bago tayo magsuroy-surog diri sa muwag, guys, kaunta, guys, no, mga unsa ta. So, ayan. Let's go! Shopping na siya. So, ngayon, nandito kami. Ayan. Maghahanap muna kami ng pwede mabili. Ayan. So, see you guys. Bye! Punta muna kami ng H&M, Forever 21 at kung ano-ano pa. Let's check, guys, kung anong meron. Ang daming nakaming H&M. Ayan, so Forever 21 H&M, guys, magkatabi lang sila. So, ayan.